Hello guys, welcome to my channel Social Work Basics. Now I have started this channel to give the information about social work, field of social work. Then what are the basic methods, techniques, principles, and what all the basic things about social work. Initially, I had thought of posting some of the presentations about the point related to this, but now I feel that I should start with the introduction of my channel. So um, channel name is Social Work Basics, and it's a platform to learn all the basics of social work. As about me, my name is Rituja Karande, and I have qualified basically from Maharashtra. I have studied from Maharashtra. I have done my bachelor's in social work in 2018. Then I have completed my master's of social work in 2020, and besides I have cleared my UGC NET in social work in 2019. So I had specialized in medical and psychiatric social work field. Next we'll see what why we have to study social work. Okay, some points that why we have to study social work, or why we have to see social work as a profession, why it has emerged as a profession. Now what education you can take in social work, and what is the scope of social work. First, we'll see why to study social work. There are various perspectives of various people. Some will say that I enjoy doing social work, so I have taken admission to this course. Or some say that I have just taken for taking the, for I had no interest in any other field. It's not like that. There are particular reasons why some people are interested in social work. You have seen many famous social workers, or social scientists, or people who do work in the sociology field, who work for the society. But social work, speaking of specifically about social work, it is a versatile profession. It is not like others that you are paid for what you done, or you are getting very fixed salary amount, or you are in India specifically, or you are getting everything you desire. No, it is a profession where you have to work from the bottom of your heart and don't expect anything in return. So as even though it has emerged as a profession, we are either eager to earn. Now you will say that we are eager to earn, but no, it's not like that. Even when we are eager to earn, we have certain limitations and we have to work according that. Our society needs more social doctors and engineers than technical doctors and engineers. Everyone says that I'll become a doctor, I'll become an engineer, but no one says that I'll become a social scientist. So that is what this field is, what it is about. Social work is not merely a charity or giving temporary help. It's not merely helping a beggar to give. So we gave him a 500 rupees note or 2000 rupees note and go and get food for yourself. Go and get clothing for yourself. It is not like that. So it is not like that. So it is more than that. With certain specific knowledge, scientific knowledge, and specific knowledge, we can help individuals attain their potential. This field is about helping individuals attain their potential better at their best by having some scientific based knowledge. So, social work profession introduction. Emergence can be traced from olden times. So, in India specifically, it has tradition from olden times to do charity. So, ideologies and terms related to social service, social welfare, social reforms, and social work emerged slowly. Okay, the social work term was first coined after 80s, and actually in India it came in the 18th 19th century later on. In India, social work is struggling profession, but it has set up its roots in all the other fields also. So, if we see the emergence with the history, we peep out into the history, we will find out that there were change agents. You must have heard about all these terms. We are going to see this later on in my videos. In my future videos, I'm going to tell about detail about all these terms. But I'll tell that in for the society, there were after the industrial revolution, after the technological developments, there were certain problems which all the individuals were unable to handle. Upper class became, lower class became, middle class became, and all these classes, all these stratas that were formed in the society had various different problems to face, and no one was there to help them. Not even the politicians, not even the what we can say, not people were unable to get help, and people were unable to find solutions to their problems. So some of the individuals thought that no, this should not, it is going wrong way, or it is something that is happening which is wrong. That people are lower class people and middle class people are not even getting the basic needs fulfilled. So the term of helping, term of giving charity emerged. In India, it is old tradition. We have seen from ages from in our mythology also. In our Indian mythology, we are also have seen that giving charity is the best. It serves. it purifies our karma, it purifies our soul, and then it will leads to salvation and all that things. But after few years, after few ages, it came to be known as a helping nature. Only the certain people who had to help, who had the nature to help, who had something to give, started to give to other people. Now later on, what how it became, how it turned out to be, that it was said that if you want to help people, we'll have to have some method. Okay, there should be specific method, there should be something specific techniques, there should be some specific principles on which the help base should be formed. So then and only that the profession emerged. So we are going to see the further points, that is history of social work, objectives of social work, principles, values and philosophy of social work. In my future videos, we are going to look in all these points, and in this channel, we are going to get all the information related to social work. So no need to worry at all. For the basics, it will be a base for the BSW pursuing students, MSW pursuing students, and for also those who are going for UGC NET in social work subject. So there are certain methods in social work. So now education and social work field. What about the education? What education in India you can pursue? In India, actually there are diplomas and degrees. So we'll talk in the degree base first. Degree we can have bachelor's program of 3 years, that is Bachelor of Social Work, and master's program of 2 years, that is Master of Social Work. In this program, two programs, there are methods, techniques, principles, and values, and all the methods are described in detail. All the methods are given, studied in detail in the specializations. And now, in specializations vary according to the institution and availability of the specialization course. So, in some colleges, in some institutions, they preferably give three specializations, basic three specializations. That is, first one is HRM, Human Resource Management and Labor Organization. Then second is URCD, Urban and Rural Community Development. Third one is Medical and Psychiatric Social Work. And other institutes, like there are many national institutes, that is TIS, for example, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, who gives variety number of courses in social work in other fields also. And they have specialization, for example, family and child welfare is there, and many more are there. So it depends upon your interest in what field you are going to work. So scope of social work. Now scope of social work, if you see, specializations as jobs are there. If you have specialized in medical and psychiatric, you get into psychiatric social work, you get into medical social work, or you become a counselor. In child development, in urban and rural community development, you have a chance to work as a community worker, community counselor, child development. Then in medical social work, you have specifically only aspects related to medical, that is only in the hospital, specific hospital related works, that is taking case histories, studying the case histories, counseling to the patients who are having cancer, who are having any medical issue, other medical issue. And psychiatry specifically about mental health. Administration and management in social work, there are departmental posts related to that. In administration and management, we can go with counselor, we have already studied. Medical and psychiatric social worker, both the social worker who has to handle both the fields, that is medical also as well as psychiatric, that is medical psychiatric social worker. Then human resource manager, that will be in the company sector, that industry sector, you will get to know the human resource manager, who will have to deal with all the recruitment processes, then handling the workers and looking after them, taking care of them, taking care of their needs, and assessing their needs, whatever they require. Okay, giving guidance to them, handling their problems. So that will be in the human resource management. Then government sector jobs are there. Even if you go and search for that, you will apply for that, you will come to know that government sector jobs are also there in more number in the field of Master of Social Work and Bachelor of Social Work, even after degree and master's degree also. Now these are the list of social work books for references. Encyclopedia of Social Work, all the volumes. You will get this list on the internet, but I have submerged a few specifically a few books, because I feel that if you start first basic reading with the Indian authors in social work, you will come to know the other. Don't go and directly search for the authors from the outside. Okay, there are some from the outside, and but specifically if you go for understanding that, you will come to know that Indian authors language you will understand first. Basically in India, if you see that very few students are studying social work, but there are many who go for reading direct authors from outside India, so they don't understand certain terms, and it happens that conditions conditions outside India for applying social work methods are different, and conditions inside India are different. So the method you are reading from there, that book from outside or from by the author outside India, that not be applicable to the situation present in India now. So you may get the difference. So first you have to start basic, I think, with this. Some of the books for UGC-NET, there is social work for UGC-NET by Nitesh Dhawan. Then IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University's reference material is the best, I think, because it has all the it has started literally from the simple language and with all the points, reference points. So social work dictionary is there by Robert Becker. DSM-5 scale by American Psychiatric Association. Social welfare in India by Durgavai Deshmukh. Working with communities, H.Y. Siddiqui. That is related to URCD department. URCD book related to communities. Field work in social work education by R.R. Singh. Social diagnosis by Mary Richmond. From charity to social work by Mary Richmond. Now, Mary Richmond is a pioneer of social work in our field, and she has emerged. And when she has started the term, she has pioneered the term social work, and she has started doing the work first with the help of a team in the uh, difficult times. So, what the social case work? She has given basics about casework, problems, are unmet needs. A book is there, and if you get this book, you can read all this for the reference material for studying the basic social legislation in India and social work in India. Okay, now thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
For more new videos, keep watching.